In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a list on HubSpot in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can easily organize your contacts and streamline your marketing efforts. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will help you quickly get your lists up and running. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can open your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot URL, or simply search for HubSpot in your search engine. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice the login button prominently placed at the top right corner. Give that a click to proceed. If you haven't logged in yet, do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, your next step is to access the CRM. Look for the CRM option in the main navigation bar and click on it. This will take you to the CRM section, which is where you manage contacts and create lists. Within the CRM, you'll find the Lists option. Clicking on Lists is crucial because that's where you'll be creating and managing your lists. Once you're in the List section, look for an option to Create List. This is usually a button or link prominently displayed for easy access. When you click on Create List, you'll be taken to the list creation page where the real magic happens. Now let's get into adding the details for your list. This means providing a name for your list and defining its structure. It's important to be clear and descriptive with your list name, since this will help you easily identify the list later on. In the details section, you may also have options to further categorize or tag your list. Take your time here to ensure your list is accurately set up for what you need. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Next to move on to the filtering options. This part is where you can fine-tune who and what makes it into your list. You'll have the option to add filter, which allows you to specify conditions or criteria for the list. Filters can be based on a wide variety of factors such as contact properties, behaviors, and more. Make sure to utilize these filtering options to tailor your list to your exact needs. After setting up your filters, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click on the Save List button to finalize and create your list. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a list on HubSpot, and it's ready to help you with your marketing initiatives. Remember, creating effective lists is an ongoing process of refinement, so don't hesitate to revisit and adjust as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing. Feel free to explore other features within HubSpot to make the most of your marketing strategies.